Put that Mustang on y'all ass, boy.
You want to buy a race?
Bow down, nigga. Say, bow down, nigga. Hey, hold on, listen. Hold on, now listen. Listen, hold on, listen.
How much?
It ain't Easter, Mother's Day pass, nigga. But listen, hey, boy, hey, me and you married, nigga. You my wife, nigga. We married, nigga. Let me look at me, Quentin. We married, boy, look here, boy. I am telling you, I bought a Mustang just to race you bitches, cause that MC.
Well, Sunday then.
Fuck with that MC.
Well, Sunday, I know you had a pro mind. I ain't want to buy no pro mind.
Man, what? Go cry to your motherfucking mama, nigga.
You want me to go buy one?
Want me to go buy
one?
They sell it.
You want me to go buy one?
They got one right there.
You
They
want me to
sell
get
it.
one?
Hey,
now listen.
How much you want for that car, Chuck?
Okay.
He want to buy it right there. He got the money.
Now, I ain't going to
that same shit. No. These niggas here talk a lot, man. Y'all niggas need to be called talk a lot racing. Nigga talk a motherfucking lot, nigga. They ain't doing no racing. When we get it on, when I get on with Calvin and Hill, y'all bitches count enough motherfucking money, man. We'll do it. Raise enough motherfucking money. Y'all want to do it Saturday.
He want to do it down.
I got about 30 messages over there. I'm going to have goddamn $100 piece.
Yeah.
I thought we get them messages over there. I want to do it. I want to do it down. I want to do it
Yeah.
down, man.
Yeah, he want to do it down now. How much you betting on this, man?
Man, I'm gonna stay out the way.
Oh, you staying out the way?
Hope I'm my homeboy. I'm gonna stay out the way.
We got Nuke in the building, y'all. Y'all see that shirt? He win this bitch. That bitch coming off. It's gonna cost him a dime, y'all. It's a dime, y'all. 10,000.
You know what? About that speed, nigga.
That was funny.
Like you want to, go and knock your head off.
That's fine. That's cool.
We gonna see the hair. Go knock your head off. We going to the hair.
That's fine. Ain't no more for
knock his
paper.
head off.
Well, ain't no more for
If
paper.
you do that cabin scary shit, on that, get on both of them balls, that twin break on the ball. You gonna put that motherfucker.
It ain't gonna blow.
You married now. You my wife, boy. Man, you married. We married, nigga. Let me get you is married, nigga. You stuck me for the rest of your life, nigga. You dead to your boy, nigga. You dead to your boy, nigga. Your ass up. You married. Look up to, but when I knock your bitches dick in the dirt, you rescue bitches so up on scatter, nigga. I promise you, nigga. I promise you. I promise you bitches don't scatter when that white car come out, nigga. On my mama, nigga. You bitches don't scatter, nigga.
Dollar in the building, man. Hey.
Another motherfucking dollar.
Yeah.
Silver dollar.
Yeah.
To the front.
To the front, y'all.
Hey, quick. What we do, baby?
Boom!
Goddamn.
Goddamn. But right now, the soccer continues.
Say this here, man.
Yeah.
Them bitches gotta give me grudge of the year. You hear me?
Yeah. It's your turn, right?
You hear me, man?
It's your turn.
Give it to me.
All the motherfuckers that thought they won, and you done whooped them, huh?
Much love to everybody out there watching, man. My fans, hey, man. Nigga love y'all, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say this, man. I'm gonna be done with it. Silver dollar to the front.
Silver dollar.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.